I feel motivated. I feel like boom, 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 punching the whole world and just beating it. I feel like that every single day, and I don't need coffee to feel motivated, and I love that word, motivated. You know why I love it? Because it makes you go right away, it makes you think quick, you know, short-term decisions. You're motivated to do something and you just do it. And that is exactly why we target motivated sellers only. Hey guys, thank you for checking out this video. I don't have a fancy video intro yet, but I'm gonna make sure that you learned something today. So let's go at it, okay? Motivated, like that's motivation. Like you need a motivation to do something right now or really soon. And it's really easy to really spark and trigger that emotion in human beings, such as the ones that are seeing advertising through Facebook, through Google. They are emotionally sparked by what we're showing, and that is creative. Ad copy, exclamation marks, emojis, video, just like me going like this, that I feel motivated to make this video for you guys. And you know, even though right now things are going on with Mr. Corona, I think you should not panic. I think you should be doing good. You're gonna be doing good. You know, just be positive. And if shit happens, shit happens. Okay, so motivated sellers will be targeted through ad copy. You speak directly to them, just like you're blowing a whistle to a dog, and the dog is the only one that listens to it, according to the myth. And the dog is gonna come to you or gonna do something, or just, you know, be irritated by the noise. And that is exactly what the ad copy is gonna do. The dog whistle concept that I learned from Frank Kerr and other marketers. So you do an ad copy that only talks to your audience, and you do an ad creative that is can only be seen by your audience. You know what? I tested once doing my Facebook ad campaign on top of my gym. I went to the gym, and this was for a real estate motivated sellers. I went to the gym. I asked my trainer, hey, go to Facebook and start scrolling down, do some keywords in real estate and blah blah blah. And he was going down. And you know what? My coach did not, you know, pass by the advertising, but did not stop for it because he was not motivated. That was not his intentions. He's not looking to see distressed homes, or he's not looking to actually get into houses or stuff like that. I only let him, you know, do some keyword search so he could get directly targeted, but he did not get triggered. But that's because the emotions were not already triggered inside of him. They were not working. So if someone is actually looking to sell their house, like due to divorce, or due to a something that is not out of the normal, right? Sometimes there is unfortunate events that happen to people, and they're motivated to do stuff, and we call out those things, and people get, of course, directly connected to that message, right? And the people will get compelled to what we're saying, and we are bringing value right away to these people. So that is exactly how you do it. So you put a picture of a distressed house, boom, right there, and then you put a nice ad copy that talks to them, calls them out, right? So boom, right there. And you do a call to action, boom, right there. So we can buy your house today, or we can buy your house this week, get a cash offer for your house. We're looking to buy 2 houses in your neighborhood. Something like that, right? Something that is going to call an action already by these motivation pieces of building blocks that is the ad copy, the text, and the creative that we're using, and then the motivational, the last trigger, the last call to action button that says learn more, or get an offer. That is what we're gonna do. That's what we do. That's what we should do. You should be doing every single day, every single time that you talk about your business. That's how you should structure it. Even as a human to human conversation, right? You call them out, you evaluate what's happening, you consult them, and then you provide a solution directly to them that is tailored to them. And that's it, right? And they take action with you. So, woo! I'm motivated. And all the leads are too. They're motivated sellers. You should be motivated by seeing this video and just take action. Start learning inbound marketing methods. Stop calling leads. Stop cold messaging and cold calling leads, and get inbound methods in your system. And then later on you can do everything else that you would need to do, but start doing inbound. Leads come to you first, and then you can go to them. But leads come to you first, okay? So, see you guys.